What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Viana's Beauty. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related. And on the beauty aspect of things today, I'm going to be talking about waist training, which is one of my favorite things to talk about. So today I'll be showing you how to wear a waist trainer. If you're putting on a waist trainer for the first time, sometimes it can be a little bit complicated, especially if you don't know. If you're trying to put on a waist trainer by yourself for the first time, it can seem as if it's not your size, meanwhile it's your size. So I'll get very demonstrative today. That's why I'm dressed like this. So actually this video will be in two parts. The first part, I'll show you how to wear a waist trainer, and the second part, I'll be giving you tips as a beginner waist trainer, because I know if you've clicked on this video, obviously you are looking for ways to ease your waist training journey. So guys, to start off with, there are different types of waist trainers, but we'll not get into that for the video of today. This is a 25-bone steel waist trainer, and it's a little bit firm compared to the other waist trainers. And if you're a beginner, I'll advise you to rather start with sorry, I just have to take this, with a 9-bone steel waist trainers. So just for the sake of this video, what I mean by bones, it's this steel here, like you can call it irons, but it's actually the steel bones that help to compress your belly, helps to compress your waist area, and to give you that hourglass figure. So I'll be demonstrating with this one, because this one, it's the one that is a little bit difficult. So the easiest way to put on your waist trainer, especially if you're wearing it by yourself, is to take it up like this. You see where the bash is, you push it upwards like this, okay, and you bring it right up. I don't know if I'm making sense. So you bring it upward like this, instead of, let me put down the camera. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. So instead of trying to put it on like this, it will be very difficult for you. So you take it upward like this, and you start, depending on your size. I'm a size small. This is, let me just show you, this is a size small. It's always better to go one size under, like, yeah. So that's a size small. So you take it, depending on your size, you take it upwards like this, and then you start buttoning it. Normally I usually go to the second, like to the second stripe, but for the sake of this video, I'll just use the first. You button like this, you button. If you're still doubting, guys, waist training works so bad. My tummy, I'm feeling bloated because at that time of the month, my aunties will know what I'm talking about. So, but you'll see the difference that this waist trainer will make, yeah, especially when it comes to my love handles. So you button. After you button a number of times, you pull it downward like this. You button. You button. So that's just the secret about it. It's taking it upward. You button. And this is a 25-bone steel waist trainer. Always try to take it downwards. Look at how that looks. You can send that inward. So that's how you put on, you probably put on a waist trainer if you're putting it on for the first time. Normally by now I'm an extra small, so it's looking a little bit loose, but to know if your waist trainer is gonna work, you see this place here, like you see how it carves you, that's what gives you the hourglass figure. So guys, I hope you're making the best out of your waist trainer, and that's it of the video of today. Watch out for the part 2 of this video, which will be coming 2 days after I post this one, which is the tips for beginners, if you're waist training for the first time or you want to get into the waist training journey, it's very important for you to watch this other video because it will facilitate and you will not make the mistakes I made when I was waist training. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye. I'm gonna see you in my next video.